Hi there, my name is Eklund Wright with New Tropical, and we've teamed up with a local TV stand manufacturer called Kanto, and they design and make their stands here in Canada and the USA. So we have access to all of their stock, and I'm going to build you one of their TV stands today. And if you like what you see, you can buy one, have it delivered, have it installed. Getting the TV actually onto the stand is the hard bit, so we'll come down and give you a hand with that. So please have a look through the listing and match the size up to your size of TV, and I'll show you how it looks in the end with our TV here.